This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. This beautiful 4-bedroom 3.5 bath home with office that could be 5th bedroom is waiting for you. Built in 2022. This home has an open floor plan with lots of natural lighting. Remote master bedroom with freestanding tub and separate shower, walk-in closet, dual sinks. Kitchen has island, pantry and gas cooktop. Living room with wood-burning fireplace, built-in bookshelves. Covered back patio great to sit and enjoy the peace and quiet. For more information, review the details below.